Hello guys.
Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good. Hey, welcome to Freedom Vlogs. I'm just in front of my family house here. I'm getting ready for today's special barbecue grilled fish, and have my family members just here excited. Behind me is my cousin Preheat.
Hi Hazad, how are you?
How are you, man?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Are you excited for this?
Yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, on the preparation of a barbecue of fish.
Okay, so you like the fish?
Yeah, I like fish too much.
Great. And what do you do, man, Preheat?
I'm studying a dispatcher course in
What dispatcher course?
flight dispatcher course.
Alright guys, so I'm in just my family house. With me is my uncle Kader here. Hi. How are you?
Yeah, good. I'm good.
Yeah, so we have a lot of members here, so we are excited to be
Really?
doing the fish grill. And
We are always very interested in making food and all.
yeah, so we are a group, pretty much interested in doing food, and I think it's a great opportunity for me. I'm here in a short visit from Hyderabad. So yeah, that's why it was a very quick plan. That's why I'm really sorry that we didn't have a quick arrangement. And looking forward, I'm gonna take you through the live coverage of the fish there.
Yeah, Mr. Azad, I'm very happy to say something different, means especially our favorite fish barbecue or something else maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, let's see. Let's go to the fish there. Okay, so we are halfway the cooking, so we have to make sure that the lights is off right now. So we need to light a few more for the grill, so it stopped halfway. One more fish to go. Preheat, what do you think?
Yeah, it's really excited for the barbecue of fish.
Yeah, so excited, and I think once it's grilled completely, it's going to be excellent. So I'm joined by my uncle, Mr. Kader. So what do you think the fish is right now?
Yeah, it's really good. We don't have a patience to wait till the end.
I am here right now inside for tasting, and we have this fish here. So let me try this. Wanna try the taste here? I got not bad. Okay, so we want to try.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, let me try this one. Yeah, it's very good. Very tasty. It's really good.
Okay, so that's it, guys. Have done the tasting, and please share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully it was a good night experience barbecuing, and really liked. And yeah, thank you so much for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.